Sparkling or shabby. Describing places in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of describing places, focusing particularly on the topic of condition and maintenance. This is an essential part of conversational English, allowing us to share our experiences, feelings, and perceptions about different places. We'll be learning about adjectives that help us express the state of a place, whether it's sparkling new, well-maintained, or perhaps a bit shabby. Condition and maintenance refers to the state of a place, or how well it has been looked after. When we talk about a place's condition, we might use words like new, old, renovated, or run down. Maintenance, on the other hand, might be described with words like well-maintained, neglected, or spotless. These adjectives help us convey not only the physical state of a place but also our emotional response to it. When it comes to describing the condition of a place, here are some commonly used adjectives. 1. New. This place is new. It was just built recently. 2. Old. This building is old. It has been standing here for centuries. 3. Modern. This is a modern office. It has contemporary architecture and design. 4. Ancient. This is an ancient temple. It dates back thousands of years. 5. Renovated. The house is renovated. It was old, but they've updated it. 6. Dilapidated. This is a dilapidated building. It's falling apart and needs repairs. 7. Run down. This neighborhood is run down. The houses are in bad shape. To describe how well a place is maintained, we often use these adjectives. 1. Well-maintained. This park is well-maintained. The lawns are always neatly mowed. 2. Neglected. This garden is neglected. The plants are overgrown, and it looks like nobody has been taking care of it. 3. Spotless. This kitchen is spotless. It's extremely clean. 4. Dirty. This room is dirty. It needs cleaning. 5. Clean. This office is clean. They must clean it regularly. 6. Untidy. This desk is untidy. Papers and books are scattered everywhere. 7. Polished. This lobby is polished. The marble floor shines. Now that we've learned these adjectives, let's put them into sentences. 1. The newly built mall is modern and well-maintained. It's a nice place to shop. 2. The old, dilapidated house at the end of the street has been neglected for years. 3. Despite its age, the ancient temple is spotless and well-preserved. 4. I love my renovated apartment, but my neighbor's place is untidy and run down. Remember, practice is key. Try using these adjectives in your own sentences to describe places around you. And there you have it. Today we've explored a range of adjectives to describe the condition and maintenance of places. By using these words, you can make your English conversations much more colorful and precise. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be describing places like a native English speaker. I hope you found this helpful, and until next time, keep learning and growing.